I'm Alison Betz, and at ABA Technologies, basically what we do is we work with companies to help them improve employee performance in three core areas. First is systems and process alignment. We do onboarding and training, enhancement or customization, and value-based safety. We do this through collaborative coaching, and we work with the companies to make sure that they're creating environments where the performance or behavior change they want to see sustains and lasts. One of the current trends that we're seeing is definitely has to do with safety and as well as change management. How do we actually implement what is happening, what we want to see, how do we make the change, and being able to push forward through getting buy-in and actually rolling it out. The challenge is kind of the same thing of the trend. People are talking about it because it's very difficult. They're hitting a roadblock. So they're buying the technology, they're introducing all these new initiatives, but they're not able to fully roll it out with a sustainable performance change. They're not seeing the results that they want because it's not tied to the direct performance or behavior and linked to that organizational result they want to see. Oh, I love the people because they're so passionate and so welcoming. It's like a family, and people get to know each other and helpful. Like even what you might consider competitors are super helpful with introducing you to people, referring you, giving you tips or advantages. So I love it because of that.